Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is an exciting and unconventional promotional piece and branding package for a private school. This was designed by Leapfrog Group for the Crefeld School, and this was produced by the Standard Group in Philadelphia. There's a lot to this, so I'm going to just dig right in, but it's a wrap, and then inside is a trio of brochures. I'm going to read the front, though, because the concept is really what drives the way that this is configured. So it says, an intentionally different approach to a college prep education, one that empowers every student to grow their strengths, find meaning in their learning, and feel ownership of their school community. So they've got that on the cover. Here's the sleeve. This is 80-pound Cougar opaque cover, 80 text. For these other pieces, there are 3 brochures, and each brochure takes a piece of this front statement, and that's what each piece is about. You know, feel ownership of your school community. You can see like it breaks these down, 3 different colors, 3 different pieces. So this is a booklet that's side sewn, so it's got these really nice little strings on the edges too. And then you open this, it's got a 6-page cover with a fold out, and then just really nice branding and messaging and imagery on the inside. So that's this piece. Then there's an accordion brochure, and again, these are all they're different for a reason, right? It's all about kind of this unconventional approach, and this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 6-panel accordion, and it has all sorts of different student profiles on it. Just really nice. This is 80 cover. And great color, by the way. These are printed on a Heidelberg UV perfecting press. So really nice. And then this piece is actually a snake fold and goes around. And this also has more student profiles. And it turns into kind of a poster style, oversized type of a piece. So just really beautifully done, and just a wonderful communication of the brand message, great use of creative formats, beautiful production, and I love how it all goes into this nice wrap as well, here the sleeve. So that's your 60-second super cool fold of the week, sleeved trio. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.